Hey, a few days ago I was trying to log in into my PlayStation account and I stumbled upon this very strange error message from Sony. They didn't tell me anything, so I decided to create this video tutorial about how to create good error states. Because good error messages should provide constructive communication and respect user effort. Let's jump into Figma. So as we can see, this one is not very good. Something went wrong. What does it say to us? Nothing. How can we solve this issue? We don't know. Let's do something better. First of all, I will copy this screen so we have the same example as a background. I will cover this and let's start with the icon. I will use something less red, less dangerous, I would say, because this looks like critical error. I will use this one. And what a good error message does, it provides some context. So I will use more descriptive text to tell what has happened. I have this text prepared. Let's just make sure that it fits on 2 lines. We can actually make the whole thing wider. It's not a big problem. So here we tell that we are temporarily unable to log the user in, but we are working on it, and we tell the user to try again soon. Comparing to this message, nothing is told. At least we give some hope that in the near future the issue will be solved, right? Another thing I think we should do here is provide the list of reasons why that could happen, because you are unable to log in, maybe because the server is down, maybe because you are logging in from the wrong location or something like that. I also have some of these reasons prepared. I will copy paste. And I think we should put these reasons into their own box and have their own borders. And the last thing that I want to add here, provide some actionable item, like a button, for example. As this page has no links at all, let's at least give the user the possibility to go back to the home page. I will probably add an icon as well. So now we have a good error message that gives context what has happened, why that could happen, and gives an actionable button to go back to the home page. Hope this was helpful and hope you'll improve your error message designs. See you in the next video.